Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll introduce the Move Keyframes Y add-on, a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to move selected keyframes in the graph editor along the Y-axis by entering a value. Install the Move Keyframes Y add-on. You can hold the Shift key and drag the slider to move keyframes more precisely. Enter a value in the input field to move the selected keyframes in the graph editor along the Y-axis. The values of the selected keyframes will be adjusted by the entered value. This functionality is equivalent to using the G+Y shortcut. If you like this add-on, you can download it for free on Gumroad or BlenderMarket. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to not miss the next videos.